because you are key stakeholders in this response.
Ebi byagamba mu rukiiko rw'abarwebembirwe omujwekyero wa pulezidenti ab'orubuga rwa Fort Portal Aspin Nasike aho baganira aha nshonga ezirikukwata aha burwaire bwa Ebola. RCC Nasike naagira ngu ekizire obwami bw'okutunga ekiragiro kuruga owa National Task Force ya Ebola aha byanga ebiri aha kabi k'amaani okutunga oburwaire obu.
We have agreed to suspend all weekly markets. Like for example, the market at Kachwamba on Sunday is hereby suspended. The market in Karago on Tuesday is hereby suspended. And then we have the market at Kabundaire on Monday and Thursday, where people come in large numbers. Those 2 days, the market is being suspended. This is done in good faith for us to prevent the people from getting the Ebola virus, but also we are following the guidance from the Ministry of Education, from the Ministry of Health, which has guided that those public gatherings which we cannot manage to prevent the risk of infection should be suspended for a meantime.
Nasike nashobora ngu ekizireho n'ekigendererwa ky'okwetantara oburwaire kwonka okushaba kwa Sande ezindi nikuza kugumizamu kugyenda omu maisho.
We are saying that only this Mother's Day celebrations, the other Sunday activities, the church, the Sunday church services should continue in adherence to the standard washing hands, ensuring that there is no body-to-body contact.
Abakora bari aha task force bashobora zimwe aha ntebe kanisa ezibatiireho okureba ngu barwanisa oburwaire.
We had consensus that we have one isolation center at the regional referral. However, the two health center force, that is Bukuku and Kataraka, have also created temporary space in case they get a suspect. But that is only temporary. Eventually, they are then referred to the regional referral hospital.
As the government moves strictly to ensure that we fight the Ebola out of the country and out of Fort Portal, the schools continue to operate, but under strict adherence to hand-washing facilities. Temperature guns must be in schools, and ensuring that we don't have too much, a lot of gathering within there.
Senior Superintendent of Police Joab Wabwire, Regional Police Commander ab'ekyanga ekya Rwenzori West, naagira ngu nibaza kureebeka ngu baateekamu amaani omu by'okwerinda na munonga omu myanya ei baazibiramu abantu kuza.
Of the district and city task forces on Ebola. Now that has been resolved that the other market, the weekly market is Arago, and they are closing on the market day. We shall definitely have to deploy them and ensure that nobody comes there. The way we have done with the Busunga border in Bundibuju.
Ahitwakorera amakuru aga abanyadiini omu rubuga rwa Fort Portal babatakashohwize ekihandiiko kirikugamba aha nshonga egi. Amakuru agashakwa Justin Nyakisike.